Your phone's AI assistant understands your voice. ChatGPT writes essays. But how do these systems actually learn language? It's simpler than you think. Large language models, or LLMs, are AI systems trained on massive amounts of text data. Think of them as pattern recognition machines. They learn statistical patterns in language by studying billions of words from books, websites, and articles. This helps them predict what word comes next in a sentence. During training, LLMs see a word and predict the next word thousands of times. When they guess wrong, they adjust. This happens billions of times until patterns emerge. It's similar to how you learned language as a kid through exposure and repetition. No magic, just mathematics and data. The word large refers to two things: the model's size, billions of parameters acting like neurons, and the training data volume. More data and more parameters equal better performance. ChatGPT's 75 billion parameters is why it seems intelligent. Bigger models generally understand context and nuance better. LLMs generate text, answer questions, translate languages, and even write code. But remember, they predict probable words, not understand meaning like humans. They're impressive tools, but they don't truly think. Understanding these limits helps you use AI responsibly and effectively. Now you understand LLMs. Subscribe for more AI concepts explained simply and comment. What AI question should we tackle next?